to all my friends, colleagues, chefs from all around the world. Like every year, I'm counting on you. 20th of October. What's the day? Yes, International Chef's Day. And I'm really looking forward to see all your involvements from all around the globe on this specific day. On that day, with believing in the power of the white jacket, we will make a statement and we will try to make this day a special day for all the culinarians, for all their friends, colleagues, and definitely children as well from around the world. I'm urging you on this day, please, to take the initiative, go into schools, go actually into places where you can educate and support the youngs with your skills. World Chef's Day. A big name, a big legacy, a big history, and I would say a big future to come. Because with this activity we can make changes in your region, in your society, and definitely all around the globe. As I said, for me, as the WorldChefs president, it's always a great pleasure being part of this initiative, pushing on the initiative and counting on you chefs and food lovers from all around the world. Make that day a special day. 20th of October 2023, World Chef's Day to come. And you are all part of it. So, see you very soon. Take care. Make the best out of it. Yours, Thomas.